Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. As you know, my name is Destiny Emmanuel and I am the CEO of Destiny Digital Concept. I want to especially thank you for always watching my videos. And as you all know, in this channel, what I do is to make videos that will simplify your work as a web developer and make web development a easy task and a easygoing journey for you. And I believe you have been enjoying all of my videos so far, and I want to especially appreciate you all for always watching my videos. But one thing you guys are not doing for me is that you have not been commenting on my videos and you've not been sharing my videos, of which that's not really helping us. As you comment on our videos and also broadcast them, it helps us to reach out to a large number of audience so that other persons can also learn from the informations we are giving out for free. So please, at the end of this video, kindly drop a comment on what you think about this video and also share this video to somebody so they can also learn from the informations we're going to be dishing out in this video. And if you are coming across my videos and you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this YouTube channel is going to help you whether or not you are a web developer. So there are other niche and other field of tech that I also talk about. So whether you're a web developer or not, click on that subscribe button right away so that you will get notifications on whenever we are uploading any new videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to always watch our videos. And don't forget, we are always having a giveaway session in every of our videos, so you don't want to miss out of it. So let's go straight to the business of today. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you the secret way of which I use to handle my SEO, my search engine optimization, for all my websites, to ensure that my websites are always on the top rank of Google search and all other search engine. So this is a secret way. I have been doing my SEO for a very long time and it has really been working perfectly for me. As you can see, all of my websites, it doesn't matter any of my websites you search, whether you're searching for Destiny Host, you are searching for Destiny Digitals, any of my websites you search are always at the top. They always appear at the top. Now I'm going to be showing you the secret way of which I make this possible, and that is done with Google Search Console. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect your website to Google Search Console in order for your website to be optimized on Google search engine and other search engines. So this is going to be very easy and very educating, and trust me, you're going to love this one I will be teaching you. So first of all, you'll be needing a Google account. I believe you have a Google account. In as much as you have a Gmail, you already have a Google account, and you'll be needing to log into your website control panel, which is the cPanel. So there we're going to be doing everything together. So I'm going to head over to my computer screen and show you all of these things I'm talking about. So it's going to be a very easy task and very interesting. So see you guys in my computer screen. Welcome back, guys. So this is the website we're going to be using for this lesson. So this is my corporate website. This is my company website, though I've already linked this before, and some other of my sites. Let me close these guys here. So let me show you what I mean. Now if you go to Google and just type Destiny Digitals, you're going to see all of my sites coming up. So you see destinydigitals.com.ng, you can see it on the search engine. Okay, you can see it over there, right? Now you see this is it and this is it. Now let's search for another of my site. Let's search for Destined Host. Let's search for Destined Host and see what's going to come up. Now you can see Destin Host is coming up. You can see we have Destin Host right here. Now let's search for another one, Swift DigiCart. So you can see now, you can see this one is even bringing each product we have in the, because this is an e-commerce website, each of the products we are indexed. If you click more here, you're going to see that a lot of the products we are indexed. So you can see all of the pages we are indexed. So how did I achieve this? That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So first of all, we are going to head over to Google Search Console. Now how do we do that? I want to use a different account, a different Gmail account, different from this one I've been using. I don't think I've used this before, so let's use a new Gmail account. I've used this one already, so let me go to another one. So you're going to type search.google.com. Let's see. Okay, so my search is not correct. Okay, let's just go to google.com, and yeah, let's type for Google Search Console. So we have our Google Search Console 2 here. So we click here, Google Search Console 2. Now it takes you to this page where you get to start your work. Okay, now let's click on Start Now. So this is now our Google Search Console dashboard. As you can see, we don't have any connected property. The property means a website that is currently connected. Let me take you to my previous dashboard so you can see how that looks like. So let's search. Okay, so let's click Start Now. So this is my previous dashboard. As you can see, we have some properties here. We have destindigitals.com.ng, we have destindigitals.com.ng/courses, this is destinhost.com, this Nexus Finance, and other website. Now with this dashboard, you are going to be seeing your website performance and statistics. So in just this month, now note this 1st of December, I'm making this video on the 1st of December, we have 16 web clicks. Okay, now these are not just any web clicks, these are web clicks that came from Google search. Okay, now if we go to another one, now let's change the property. Let's see destinhost.com.ng. so here I have 10 web search. I mean, this is just a new website. So you're going to see the performance, the pages that were indexed. So you can see here 33 pages has been indexed. Now let me explain what this indexed means. Indexed means that the search engine have recognized your web page and they have accepted it. Okay, so when the search engine recognizes your web page and accepts it, that's when that web page is going to display on Google when somebody makes a search query that is similar to what you have in your web page. So 33 pages were indexed, 89 pages were not indexed. So excuse me, so these 89 pages are pages that we don't need to be on the search engine. Okay, so I said the 84 pages are pages that we don't need to be there, so we are going to block the indexes. So having understood this, how do we get to this point where we connect our website to the Google Search Console? So we'll go back here. All right, then the first thing you're going to do, there are two ways to connect your website. You can connect the domain and also connect the prefix of the domain. So the domain is let's say we are working with destindigitals.com.ng, that is the domain, but we want to connect maybe a subdomain or a folder inside that domain. That's when we use prefix. Okay, so let's connect a domain. So yeah, I'm just going to type the domain I want to connect. So you just type the domain you want to connect destindigitals.com.ng. so let's continue. So it's going to check the verification and check if you are really the owner of this website. So we're just going to give it a while to check the verification, and after checking the verification, we are now going to verify that we are the owner of this website. So this is taking a while to check. Okay, so now we have to verify our ownership. Now there are two methods, like I said. With this method, we are going to be doing a DNS record. So what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to copy this DNS test. Click on copy here. Then you are going to now log into your site cPanel and do the DNS configuration. Okay, so now let's go. I've already logged into my cPanel. This is my cPanel over here. I believe you are used to this dashboard. This is my cPanel. Now we are going to scroll down to where we have our DNS record. We'll go down to where we have so scroll down to where we have zone editor. That's where we edit our DNS records. So let's look for zone editor. Okay, let's search for it over here, zone editor. So these are zone editor. Okay, so here we are going to be editing our DNS. Now just in case your cPanel does not have this zone editor, that's where we're going to be using the second method to do our ownership verification. But my server have a zone editor. You can also contact your hosting platform to activate the zone editor for your hosting server. So what we're going to do now, we have this guy here. We're going to click on manage. Now when we click on manage, the next thing here, we are going to add a new record. So click on add record. Then here we are going to enter the name of the zone. So that's our what's it called now, our domain name, Destin Digitals. Let me just copy it so we don't miss out. destindigitals.com. Okay, I didn't copy it. Ctrl C to copy. So paste this here. Now you leave this blank. Now the type, we're going to be using test. Okay, the type should be test. Now here is where we're going to paste that thing we copied from Google Search Console. So let's go and copy it again. Let's go copy it again. We'll click here to copy, then we'll paste it right here. Okay, so after that we save the record. So after saving the record, now we now have a new DNS record for our website. So let's go back to Google Search Console, then we click on verify. Now we're just going to wait to check. Okay, now verification, ownership verified successfully. So it means that our website is now connected to Google Search Console. So let's take a look at it. We'll click on done or go to property. Go to property. Now you can see the website is connected. You can see the website icon over here, and boom, you can see we have 16 search. This because this website has been connected already, so Google has already been taking record of everything that has been going on this website. So currently the website is having 16 searches already. So that's how to connect your website to Google Search Console. And after this connection, you just need to wait for 24 to 72 hours. That is a day to 3 days. Then you start seeing your website everywhere on Google Search Engine. It is that easy, not difficult. You don't have any much work to do again, in as much as the meta tag of your website are all in place. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to edit your meta tag in your website and ensure that everything is in place. So in as much as those meta tags are in place, you are good to go. All right, so now let's see the second method that we can use to connect our website, just in case your server is not accepting a DNS record. So let's go and add a new property. Add property. Now we want to use now URL preface. So let's copy our domain name. I'm still using the same website, then paste it here. After that, we're going to click continue. Let's see if it's going to allow us. Okay, verification has been done already, so I think we have to use a different website for it now, because the verification has been done already, so we can do that now. So which of my websites should we use now? Okay, let's use this guy. Let's use this site, Nezos Finance. This is a site I did for a client, Nezos Integrated Service. So let's come over here now, add property. Then we want to add nezosfinance.com.ng. So let's see for the verification, verifying property. We're just going to give it a while as usual. So at this point here, we are not going to be editing we are not going to be doing a zone editor or editing the DNS. Google is going to be giving us an HTML file that we are going to download and upload the file to our root directory of that server. Okay, so this is the file right here. We're just going to click on download. Now the file has been downloaded here. So after downloading it, we'll go over to my server. This is the server. So we just go over to the file manager. Go over to the file manager, click on public_html. Then we're going to be uploading that file we downloaded here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on upload. Then let me go drag it and drop. So this is the file, drag it over here and drop it here. Okay, so the file has been uploaded successfully. So after that upload, you go back to your Google console, Google search console, then you click on verify. So let's click on verify. Now we're just going to wait a while for our verification. So you can see verification successful, verification method, HTML file. So these are the two verification methods you can use to connect your website to your Google search console. So let's go to the property and see. Now you can see we have nezosfinance.com.ng. Now the performance is processing. The performance is processing and everything is processing. So within 24 hours to 72 hours, we should start seeing these websites on the Google search engine. So that is how to connect your website to Google search engine, and your website starts appearing on Google search engine. It is that easy. You don't need to pay anybody for it. You don't need to do any backlinking or whatsoever. Your website should be coming on Google. Now, what are those things that will make your website not to be indexed even after doing the connection to Google search engine? Now we're going to be checking some things. Like I said, first is your site title. Now let's take a look at this site. This is Nezos Integrated Service, Nezos Finance. Now look here, you can see we have a title, Nezos Financial Service. Ensure that your website is having a stated title. Okay, now after the title, the next thing is the description. Now let me show you the description. Let's search for Nezos Finance. Let's just search for Nezos Finance on Google and let me show you the description. Now you can see this is the website we have been searching. Now you see this text here. Okay, this is the description. If this text is not properly defined, you will be having issues indexing your website. Your website might not come up on the index. So how do we write this text and the title that I just showed you? Let me take you to the website file. So this time around, I'm going to be using, let's use my own file. Okay, let's use this file here. So this is the web file, the index.html file. Let's open it. Let's open. And here you can see we have title. So your title tag must be stated. Okay, your title tag must be stated. Now the next one, we have meta tag, and the name of that tag should be description. Okay, now here is where you now put in your description. So you see this description we saw earlier here, you can see it was truncated because it was too long, but not so bad. You see this description here, we have it here. So this is where you define the description of your website. Now the next thing is the keyword. Okay, so keyword are words that are related to your website, that if a user search for that word, now take note, we only search for Nezos Finance. Let's do it this way, Nezos Finance. Searching for Nezos Finance, you can see we have Nezos Financial Service displayed. Okay, now how was this possible? It's because we have Nezos Finance included as our keyword. Here's it here. Okay, included as our keyword, so you have to separate each of them with a comma. So let's search for financial service and see if we're going to see anything related to Nezos Finance. So you see we're searching for financial service and we are still seeing Nezos Financial Service. So you see everything is working good and perfect. So those are the 3 basic codes that has to be in place in your website in order for you to get a good SEO. Then other SEO ethics you need to consider: your images in your website needs to have an alternative text. Okay, they should have an alternative text. Your website should have at least a H1 tag. So those are other things that you need to consider for your search engine optimization. So I believe that this video has been able to teach you step by step how to optimize your website on a search engine. So if you like this video, share your thoughts on the comment section, click on the like button, and also recommend this video to your friends who are also fellow developers so they can also learn from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop your opinion, share this video, and we will see you again in another video. So for now, have a nice time.